Hello folks, my name is Rosa and be very welcome to this tea burn review. In this video, I'll tell you all the important information you need to know about tea burn before actually buying this product. And I also have 3 really important alerts you must know regarding your health. So pay close attention to what I have to tell you. So the first point is, watch out guys for the website you're gonna buy tea burn from, because today this product is only sold on the official website. You cannot get anywhere else. So be really careful, because there are many people selling this product on non-official websites and are not getting an original product. And then they are thinking that the product doesn't work, okay? So watch out for that, guys, because this can also harm your health. And to help you guys with that, I left a link to the only tea burn official website down below in the description box of this video. Then you can take a look a little bit more about this product, okay? So, what is this brand new powerful supplement called tea burn? Does it actually work? And to make it simple guys, yes, tea burn is a nutritional supplement, a potent fat burning tea that uses natural ingredients like green tea extract, theanine, caffeine, and chromium that users can add to their tea, giving them energy throughout the day, which will increase both the speed and efficiency of metabolism and consequently helping them lose weight. The formula of tea burn is those individual packets, ensuring that users get the same amount of weight loss support with every cup of tea burn. But guys, here's the thing. You have to keep in mind that each organism reacts in a different and unique way. So you have to be realistic about your results, okay? What I'm saying is that tea burn works when you do the treatment properly, according to the manufacturer, which is to simply mix a single pack of tea burn powder into your tea each morning. Then you can enjoy your breakfast, okay, as normal. Tea burn is composed 100% with natural and safe ingredients, so there are no side effects of any kind. Your results will depend exclusively on the way you are doing the treatment, okay? So just try out the product and see how it will work for you, how